Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a family-oriented residence for sale. It is located on Belvedere Road in Red Hills, St. Andrew. It sits on a 3/4 acre land and boasts one of the best views of Kingston from every level of the house. It has 4 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, which is uniquely laid out on over 2 stories. The house has high ceilings throughout, spacious bedrooms, formal dining room, cozy lounge area, a spacious and well laid out open concept kitchen, a remarkable floating staircase, office with scenic views, a roof deck, and also landscape outdoors. Schedule an appointment today for a showing of this well-priced property right now. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 110 million or US $714.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.